One rather interesting feature about Discord is the fact that you can share with others what games you're currently playing thanks to what's known as activity sharing. And it's not just restricted to games. Certain third-party apps, like for example Spotify, also work. So how exactly can you turn this on if you want others to see what games you're currently playing? Well, it should be on by default. However, if you ever change anything in the settings, or if for whatever reason it is off, here's exactly how you can turn it on, but also tweak some of the features around it. So what you want to do is first head into your user settings. That'll be the cogwheel icon on the bottom left. Once you're there, click on Activity Privacy on the left hand side. It will be near the bottom of all of those options. And then the top option will allow you to share your activity with others. So make sure that that is turned on. However, in this menu you also find some other things you can use to customize this a bit further. For example, you can also make it that you only share activity on servers of a certain size. Or also you can do it by server, and you can select which one of your servers your activity will be shared on and which it won't be. So there's quite a bit of customization you can do here. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that there is no activity sharing on the mobile version of Discord. People can't see what apps you're using on your phone, and there is no settings for it on the Discord app either. All of this can only be done on the desktop Discord app right now. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about how to turn on activity sharing in Discord. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, maybe subscribe to how to avoid anything like this in the future.